Okay, guys, more refrigerator math with Mr. Smith. Okay, so yeah, I'm using my refrigerator in my kitchen as the whiteboard. Again, because of the integer operations and some of the people and it's been a while since you've done it, this is our way to review really quickly. We're looking at integer operations. Operations are multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. I'm going to start with multiplication and division because actually when it comes to integers, these are the easiest rules to remember. Just so you know, this minus sign means negative. The plus sign means positive. A lot of times we don't write the plus sign by positive numbers. If a number has no sign beside it, it's usually considered positive. Okay, so here are the sign rules to remember. So if the signs are the same, okay, we're going to go real quickly. A negative times a negative is a positive. A positive times a positive is a positive. A negative divided by a negative is a negative. A positive divided by a positive is a positive. What that means, if the signs are the same for your two factors, your product or your answer to a multiplication or a division problem will always be positive. So, negative times negative, positive times positive, negative divided by negative, positive divided by a positive. Your answer is always positive if the signs are the same. Now, if your signs are different, if you have a negative times a positive, it's negative. Positive times negative is a negative. Negative divided by a positive is always negative, and positive divided by a negative is always negative. So if your signs are different, your answer or your dividend will always be negative if the signs are different. So here's a couple of examples really quick. Negative 4 times negative 5 is positive 20. Negative 12 divided by negative 2 equals positive 6. All right, just for some examples over here on the different signs. Negative 4 times positive 5 is negative 20. And negative 12 divided by positive 2 equals negative 6. Now you can use our rules to check this going backwards. Negative 20 divided by positive 5 is negative 4. Negative 6 times positive 2 is negative 12. But just remember, you can look at your problem from the beginning and you could say, well, both of my factors are negative. I know my answer is going to be positive. Over here, both of my factors are different. One is negative, one is positive. Therefore, my answer has to be negative. So just remember the rules. If the signs are the same, your answer will be positive. If your signs are different, your answer will be negative. So that's whenever we have two factors doing multiplication and division problems. In the next video, I will look at addition and subtraction.